Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create a Binance account. It's pretty simple to create a Binance account. So let me show you how you guys can do it. And before I show you guys how you guys can create a Binance account, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys also want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use my referral link down in the description to sign up for Binance, and you guys can get up to $10 bonus if you use my link. So if you guys want a free $10, then you can use the link. So let's move on with the video. So you want to go to your browser, you now want to type binance.com. Type binance.com and press enter. After you type binance.com, it's going to take you over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on register now over here. You can click on this register, whichever you want. You can click on it. Then over here, you have two options. Either you can create an account using email or your mobile number. You can use whichever you want, you find comfortable. I'm going to go with email. After entering your email and password for your account, you want to click on where it says create account. Now you want to fix this puzzle for a verification. Just fix it real quick. After fixing it, wait for some time. Then it's going to send a verification to the email which you just typed. So I'm going to go to my email over here to check my verification code. As you guys can see, I received the verification code over here. So I can just, enter this code over here. After entering the code, just wait for some time. And as you guys can see, your Binance account has been created. Now you can just click on go to dashboard. And boom, you're in your Binance account. So that's basically how you guys can create a Binance account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys also want to sign up into Binance, you can use that referral link down in the description to get a $10 bonus. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye and have a nice day.